Welcome back. Continuing the news. To the PNP leadership race now, more decorations. The incumbent party president, Dr. Peter Phillips, who says his campaign will be launched on June 27. But that has not stopped party members from declaring their support for him as leader and bashing the timing and impact of the challenge. TVJ's Herman Green reports.
Since Peter Bunting went public with his intention to challenge for leadership of the PNP, party members have been declaring their candidate of choice. Member of Parliament for St. Anne Southeastern, Lisa Hanna, was one of the first to endorse Dr. Phillips. At a party meeting in St. James on Sunday, she explained why.
And I am backing Comrade Peter Phillips not only because of how he supported me as a Member of Parliament in the movement, especially in the 2016 general election, but because he is a man of integrity. I trust his vision. I trust his management.
Party members in support of Peter Bunting listed a number of things they say are not going right with the PNP. Among them, low visibility and inaction of the party. The party's St. Andrew East rural candidate, Joan Gordon-Webley, noted one with which she disagrees. She pointed to the PAC, where she noted that several scandals have and continue to be unearthed.
Comrades become, I wonder if the police use car them delivered yet. No. Science and technology. Billions of dollars missing. Next up. University service fund scandal. All of these things have been coming to light because of the work of the team who continues to press on. So we will not hear anything.
For Lisa Hanna, the call for a rejuvenated party is already being answered. She describes Dr. Phillips as the architect of renewal, crediting him with the recently elected new set of vice presidents.
He went back and brought back Damian Crawford to put in the Senate. He went for young Dr. Andre Horton for the Senate. He brought Basil Wade as Deputy General Secretary. He made sure that we had other young officers. I'm an officer of the party. So he has revitalized the officer corps.
Other MPs who have declared support for Dr. Phillips include Dwayne Vaz, Dr. Wickham McNeil, and Damian Crawford. Dr. Phillips' son, Michael Phillips, also supports him.
And comrades, I don't say it because he's my father. I say it because I know he has sacrificed for this country and this party. I know he has the vision for this country and this party.
In his presentation, Dr. Phillips said nothing about Mr. Bunting's challenge, but pointed to another.
So we have one challenge before us. Vote them out. And in West Central St. James, I want you to embrace and vote in Comrade Dr. Andre Horton. One hour until we meet again.
Herman Green, TVJ News.